guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create Pepsi logo. So for Pepsi logo, we have to create first a circle and the title Pepsi. So let's begin with the logo first. First, let's create a logo. Take a circle, press Ctrl button and then draw a circle. Then circle will be perfect. Okay. After that, go to 2-point line, take it, then take it like this, intersect with edges, then take second line and keep it parallel to the first line. Okay, now go on that line, left click, double click, then left click, then go to curve, then give a proper curve to that line like this. See, I have a point at here. And take this node down. Then remove this point. And now save. Then go to this line. Again double click, then left, then to curve and give a proper curve to it. See. Now we have to take this more close and make it look similar to the logo we are creating. See, now click here, take it a little down, have this down to see, and take this little more ahead. Now again there is something not parallel to it. Let's do it again. Let's remove this point first. Then let's give it proper curve. Then this. Now again double click and select the whole circle. Add a proper circle. Again remove this lines. Delete it. Delete it. Then go to this is called pick. Pick the circle and place it here and give it a proper keep it in the center. You can use this method to take the scale and put it in center of the circle. See this scale is in center. Now use the circle and take it see. Now you understand. Now let's fill the color. Remove this. Delete it. Then let's I think we should have more gap in this. Should let more gap. Yes, what do you think now? We have more gap in this pool. Let's reduce the gap here. I think so. Yes, now I think it's better. Now let's go to interactive fill tool and enter smart fill. In the smart fill, select the portion you have to color. Yes, now go and select the color. See, now select this portion, select the color. Okay, now select this portion and select the color. Now select the whole circle and remove. Click left side, and it will remove the whole this border. Then now let's select it again. Let's select the whole circle. Set Ctrl G to group it, and now place it here. Now we'll create this box. So take the square and create a box. Okay, and then give it a proper dark color. Oh, this is not darker. What do you think? Yes, that's right. Now let's select this circle. This is our Pepsi logo. Now we can select it with the help of pick tool. And now take it at the front. Okay. Now see, here is the color. This is the problem. We have to fill it with white color. So let's go to smart fill. Select it and use white color. And now see, now it's okay. Again, I think we should remove the borders. Yes, see, now it's look better. Now let's go to the text tool. F8, you can use the shortcut F8. And now write here Pepsi. See, now expand it. See, now let's give a color. Double select it first. Pick tool. Now we selected it. Now click on white. See, we have taken the color. Now go to pick tool. Pick it and place it here. Reduce the size of the font. See, but this is not the proper font. It doesn't match. See, now we have to change the font. Let's select the Pepsi. Now first let's select it. Oh no. Let's give proper border first to it. Now select it. Yes, now let's go to here are the fonts. First take this side, so we'll able to match it. Now let's go to area, rounded empty. Does it match? I think no. Landscape no. 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 doesn't match, it doesn't match. No, no, no. You can use it whichever you want when you are designing. But if you want to, it doesn't match, it doesn't match. You have to look for which that does match with it. See, yes, it matches with it. What do you think? No, it matches. And there are types. I think this is the perfect. What do you think? Yes. Now let's take it. Let's place it here. Okay. And now remove the side borders. See. Did it? Let's increase the size of it. Pepsi. So now it matches it, doesn't it? Your logo is big, so let's reduce the size. Oh, it doesn't group it. Sorry. Let's press Ctrl G. Select it and press Ctrl C. Now it is grouped it. Yes. The color are more brighter, so you can choose certain dull colors so that it will match perfectly. Okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for such interesting content and press bell icon for notification for other next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for time being.